When the moon rose high and the stars got bright, the zoo woke up for a secret night. The keeper went home, the gates were shut. Then pop, every animal wiggled its butt. The lions danced slow with a royal sway, while monkeys swung laughing, hooray, hooray! The elephants trumpeted a midnight tune, booming their beat under the glittery moon. The giraffes decorated the whole zoo door. The zebras painted stripes of neon blue, and the parrots sang, "It's a nighttime zoo." But as dawn peeked in with a soft golden glow, the animals whispered, "Shh, keep it slow." Back to their places they tiptoed tight, until the next moon for their party night.